wakey. Let's wake up and start the day. So guys, the room I slept in, it was so bright. This time was 7, but very, very bright, and the sun was already out. And the room had the amazing view, the view of the hills. It was so breathtaking, so nice. Oh boy. What's up, what's good, what's popping? It's Moana and welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, oh my god, we are at the staycation in Mbarara. Right now I'm at GKAT Resort. It is in Mbarara. Yeah, I'm here to enjoy life. I made my kamane, saved it, now I'm eating it, and I'm not thinking about cement. Oh my god, cement in my kamane. I thought about staycation in Mbarara. Okay, so I'm going to show you around, tell you more about this place later on as I'm showing you around. So yeah, bye for now. So as the day is starting, we started with breakfast. So tasty and yummy. Meat and food, we are supposed to be twins. You can still be. So this place is so beautiful, very, very beautiful. If you see GKAT Resort on Instagram, the pictures really look like in reality. So I usually say, as you see the picture, as you see reality. So anyway, we are at GKAT Resort. It is located in Mbarara City, like the actual city. Mbarara City Center is just like 15 minutes drive from here. I'm going to put more information of the village, the actual village where it is located, in the description section so that you can be checking it, so that you can check it out. Anyway, let me show you around. This is the main entrance. It does not have a name, but the place is just beautiful. I think in the near future they will put a signpost, but as for now they don't have a name. And for their logo on papers, Instagram, and their social media, they are using this plus this and that as their logo. You can check them on Instagram, you will be able to see their logo. Oh my god, it is just too hot. We are so blessed that it didn't rain. So the manager told us that it has been raining constantly, and then we have been praying so that it doesn't rain, and we have a good time here. Thank god it didn't rain. So come with me as I show you around. We came yesterday night. I will be sharing with you in the next next video my whole vlog. So we reached here yesterday night. This place was so beautiful. The lights were popping, so beautiful. It was eye-catching even in the night. So the other side is the campfire. one of the places where they put campfire. The second campfire is the other side down, but this is the first one. I'm going to show you how the night was. So the night was so lit with campfire and everything good. The movie night on our last night, it was amazing. I was told that the owner of this place is a lady and her name is Gloria. She designed these poles by herself from scratch. So she made these holes by herself, put in these lights that make the light pop from these holes from scratch. She's a lady, you guys, boss lady. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to show you how this pops up in the night. It was just a beautiful view, beautiful. So apparently this place is older than you think. So the manager, I managed to talk to the manager, and then he said this place was a hotel in 1980, 80, one of those years, I think 88. And then it was like a big hotel. But then, you know how family things are. So now it is owned by GLORIA. So GLORIA renovated it in 2019. I think that time of lockdown, where most people turn their houses into recreation centers, into hotels, into lodges, into you know, whatever. So she renovated it in 2019 and made it into a recreation center as a resort. Yes, so it's a beautiful place, so calm, so quiet. It has natural sound, the birds in the morning. Oh my god, the sound of the birds is just so great. This is when they say sun kissed, the sun is kissing me. Okay, it's a great weather. It is hot, and yeah. So guys, one of the things that makes this place so beautiful is the view it has. So this part is like where you can stand and be able to see all the hills. I don't know their names, but just look at the view. This is where the second campfire is, where we watched the movie from in the night. The seats were so warm, but the night was cold to the core, but the fire helped us really stay warm. Oh my god, the view is overwhelming, so nice. Feasting the eyes, guys, feasting the eyes. So guys, like I said, this was a hotel, a 5-star hotel in 1988, and now it is being renovated, as you can see this place. But before 2019, these were the rooms for the hotel that time of 1988. So these were the rooms, the hotel rooms, up the other side, even up above the other side. Also these ones, I was told this is going to be a conference room because the whole place is being renovated. As you can see, everything is being hammered down. Yeah, I believe the next time I come here, this place is going to be on point, already, like ready, finished. Yeah, I believe it's going to be the best place in Mbarara for now, as for according to my view, my own opinion. it is as if inside but outside. So up is open, but these are goals, bathroom goals. The plants make it look so natural, so nice. I feel like if I stayed here, I would bathe every day, like all the time. All the time. Isn't it so beautiful? This is the restaurant and bar where people sit and enjoy their meals. And I love the seats because they give me movie vibes. You know, every movie lately we watch, there is a diner and have seats that look like this. Literally even the color. So movie vibes, yeah. So we were supposed to have a picnic the other side of the hills, but guess what? As I was jubilating, it rained heavily, so we couldn't have our picnic. We had lunch from the diner. It was really tasty, very, very yummy, so filling. Yeah, but we didn't have the picnic. I still feel bad about it though, but the food was really nice and yummy. So guys, this is us saying bye bye to Mbarara. So guys, this is us saying bye bye to GKAT Resort. You're all welcome to the staycation. Yeah, it was a great experience, fun. Everything was on point. Yeah, apart from them, some small, but everything was okay. We had fun. Yeah, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.